Hello, and welcome to Salon Scheduler installation for PC computers. To begin, open your internet browser and go to appheaven.helpshift.com to view the FAQ page. Here you'll find a list of frequently asked questions and their solutions. Today we'll be looking at the mobile/computers category and clicking on the question, how do I install Salon Scheduler on my Windows PC or Mac computer? When you follow the link, you'll come to a list of steps to follow to install Salon Scheduler on your Windows PC. This video will take you through those steps to make things a little bit simpler. To begin, click on this link to download the BlueStacks app player. You'll get a notice saying that you're leaving the website. That's okay, just click on the link it provides. Here, you'll see the BlueStacks app player website. Just scroll down a bit and press Download App Player. You can view the progress of this installation from here. It may take a few minutes to download, so please try to be patient. When the download is complete, double-click on it to open. You may see another loading box, followed by a prompt asking if you would like to allow BlueStacks to make changes to your computer. Just click Allow. When this process has finished, you should see this window which says, Welcome to BlueStacks. Click Next to accept the terms in the license agreement. Decide where you would like BlueStacks to download to your computer, and then press Next. Allow App Store access and application communications, and hit Install. BlueStacks will continue to install. This may take a few moments. When the installation is complete, you'll see this screen. Check the arrow if you would like to start BlueStacks immediately, and press Finish. Your BlueStacks account will appear here. To sign in with Google, press this button. You can go ahead and enter your login credentials and hit Next. Here you'll see your BlueStacks profile. Just hit Done, which will bring you to the BlueStacks homepage. You'll want to go to the Play Store. Once you've arrived in the Google Play Store, simply click the search bar and search for Clover Salon Scheduler. When you arrive at the Clover Salon Scheduler page, press Install. Then press Accept. This will install the original version of Salon Scheduler. In order to get the updated version of Salon Scheduler, scroll down once your installation is finished. You're looking for the page that says Become a Beta Tester. Go ahead and click I'm in, and then press Join. You can then scroll back up and wait to receive your beta status, which will appear here. Now this message reads, You're a beta tester for this app. Awesome! After you see this message, press Update, and then press Accept. When Salon Scheduler 2 finishes installing, press Open. This will take you to Salon Scheduler. Here you will need to enter your merchant token and employee Clover PIN code. Then press Login. Now you have arrived at Salon Scheduler 2 on your PC computer. We hope this video was helpful.